In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to publish your created Wix website for absolutely no cost. If you're finished with the task of editing and are satisfied with the look of your website, our first action will be to take a glimpse at a preview of it. To do so, you will need to look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the button named Preview, which will let you see what your prospective visitors are going to see when they land on your site. Now, once you have viewed the preview and are happy with how your website appears, your next move is to officially publish it online. For that, you will need to go back again to the right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you will find and click on a button named Publish, designed specifically for making your website go public. Upon clicking the Publish button, a new popping up on your screen will appear. This pop-up presents you with several options to choose from for your website's domain. However, to carry forward with our free publishing process, you will be clicking and selecting the free domain option that Wix provides. What this does is assign a URL to your website that follows the format of username, wixsite.com, your site name, linking your website to the Wix platform. Once you're done selecting the free domain, you move ahead by clicking on the Save and Continue button. This is an important step, as it locks in all your chosen settings, saving everything while giving the green signal to continue. After clicking Save and Continue, your site will now be published on the internet for all to see. It's now official. You can seal the process by clicking on the Done button, which will conveniently close the pop-up that appeared on your screen. Finally, now that your website has been published successfully, you might want to view it live just as how your future visitors will see it. For this, you simply click on the View Site button. This action will redirect you to your newly published website, and you can observe and admire your productive work in all its glory. Now live with a new and free URL. And voila! That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to publish a Wix website for free. Enjoy your online presence and make the most of this productive journey.